Rather Genesis Airdrop. So today's video we are going to talk about this particular project called Rather, which are doing their Genesis Airdrop in their app Coinlive. So today it says we are trying to announce the commencement of the Genesis Airdrop event for SR. So the token we are actually hunting is called SR token. So that is Rather token. So Genesis Airdrop overview. The SR Genesis Airdrop event operates in a metric called Genesis points, calculated by aggregating users' contribution within the Coinlive app from their initial sign-up date until March 31st. So today's video we are going to talk about this particular airdrop, how to earn it, what to do on it, how you can be doing everything you're doing on it, and then earn the project until March 31st. So what you have to do now is to watch this video attentively, watch it attentively and follow up with the instruction. But before we continue, a quick intro. Hey, my name is Zubi King and this is ZBK Crypto. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, this is a channel where I drop updates like this. Any good project that comes my way and I decide to participate in it, I will make sure that I make videos on it. And this is part of my work. I do airdrop hunts and I hunt airdrop from a very reliable sources. So if this kind of content amazes you and you kind of like what you're seeing and you are getting interested in it, try your best to click on subscribe button. You subscribing to my channel is just a way of helping my channel to grow, because you're actually being one of my subscribers and being one of my friends on YouTube. And then what you have to do for yourself now is to turn on the bell icon like this. Click on all bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop any new update. And then please don't forget to drop a like on this video. You dropping a like on my video won't cost you anything. Instead, it's giving signal to YouTube that yes, this video is kind of informative and people are actually getting information from it, and for this reason they are going to share it to more people. So you liking my video is actually helping YouTube to know that my video is informative, and also helping another person to get information from the video, and the video is going to help every other people. Remember, we all are here to make money, so you liking the video is going to help another people to know that this video is informative, and they are also going to participate in it. And then the last but not the least, which is very important, is for you to tell me whatever you think in the comment section. Tell me whatever you think in the comment section, because comment section is where I actually interact with my viewers and my downlines and my fans and my friends, where you will tell me what you think, give me idea of what you wanted to do, tell me the project you want me to review, and every other thing that you want to talk to me. And with this I say, let's dive into the main video of the day and see how to earn it. But please don't forget, drop a like, I really need it. So for you to get a link to this particular project and the link to the app, all you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to my WhatsApp channel. This is a brand new WhatsApp channel I created, let me call it almost 2 weeks ago, and it's now fully active. This particular place is where I drop updates. The reason why I created this channel and I'm no more that kind of active on my WhatsApp group is because this channel will going to help you help new members to actually have access to old updates which was dropped, just like was a Telegram channel. My Telegram banned my Telegram channel, and I'm trying to build another one. So try your best to join this WhatsApp channel, as I'm about to grow it to a very big community, so that people that are new to the channel, new to the community, are going to have access to old updates like this. So join the channel and let's be one. So once you join it, you want to follow the link in the description of this video. It's going to lead you over to this particular post, and then follow this particular link, this coinlive.app, this coinliveapp.page.link is going to take you over to where you will sign up and then download the app for this particular project. So once you're done signing up and registering your account is going to look like this. So now I'm going to show you guys what you're actually going to be doing for you to actually be earning in this particular project. Because first of all, we are earning this particular project, this particular coin CILX, and then we are actually hunting this SR token. So there are several ways for you to earn this SR, which they're actually airdropping to us. First of all is by predicting the movement of Bitcoin. I'm going to show it to you guys. Check it out in this particular Medium post which they make. So if you check down here, you will see how to earn Genesis points. Up and down summation is going to give you 10 points. So whether you win or you not win, you don't win, they are going to give you 10 points. That is 10 points in this SR token we are actually hunting. Then up and down win is going to give you extra 30 points. Then invite your friends. If you invite anybody, they're going to give you 300 points. And if you spend any CRX, it's going to give you 3 points. So that means anything we are doing in the app is going to be earning you their points. So you have to be checking in your account every single day. So click on this particular check-in now, and you see it's going to give you 3 CLX coin once you're done checking. So do it every single day, and when you do it for 4 days, they're going to give you a mystery box which can give you more of the token. So after the daily sign-in, what you have to do is to come over to this particular place and then predict the movement of Bitcoin. So for me, I think I'm going to predict that Bitcoin is going to go up more here for now. So you don't have anything to lose. Whether your prediction went good or went bad, you are going to earn the points. So once you're done signing in the day and collecting the sign in daily project coin, you're going to come back here and then predict. So once it goes your way, they're going to give you 30 points, and once you predict it, they're going to give you 10 points also. So as you can see, so far so good. I've actually going up to 2,860 points, and then you can see this is how it's going to be going. So once you check in for 4 good days, they're going to give you a mystery box which you can open and earn any amount of points. So as you can see, I've checked in for the day, and then if you go over to this particular place, try your best to go over to this particular place and try your best to claim this CRS which you actually earn from this. So they says you have received up and down commission of 124.5 CRS in your wallet. So you go to ICO wallet, you see it on my account right here. So it's now 600 and something pieces in my wallet right now. So I'm trying my best to accumulate, even if it's 10,000 pieces. So whenever they are going to list it, we are going to actually earn from it. So for those of you that can invite, all you have to do is to click on share my invite link. You can go over to Facebook, go over to your WhatsApp group, try your best to build referral system. If you can also open a YouTube channel and take your time to grow it. I did mine. I didn't have any person around me that was helping me to share my channel and grow my channel. It was just me and my God and my channel, and me and my consistency. So if you can go ahead and watch my videos and try your best to do it your way, do it the way I'm doing my own, it can help you also to grow your YouTube channel and get subscribers, then get referrals to your get team that is going to be helping you on your referral system. Networking business is not a small thing, so take note of that. So if you are kind of doing it and doing everything about it, so once the project is going to launch or the airdrop is going to end by 31st of this month, we are actually going to be expecting something. So you can also follow me on the profile. Let's try our best to follow each other. Once you follow me, tell me in the comment section that you have followed me and tell me your name. I will actually follow you instantly. So I'm taking this particular project serious now, and let's see how it's going. So they're going to be calculating your win for the streak. So I think I've won around 9 streak in this month. So this particular one is still in progress, and let's see how it will go. So this is it for now. I've shown you guys what you need to know. The airdrop started by December of 8th of December last month, and today is currently 25th of January. It's going to end in March. That is in 60 something days coming. So once you try your best to follow up and do this particular airdrop event, we are actually expecting something from them because the project is legit and there's nothing to lose about it. So see you guys in my next video. Remember, my name is Zubi King and this is ABK Crypto. I hope you guys got value from it. If you got value from it, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, drop a like, and then tell me whatever you think in the comment section. And overall thing is to join my WhatsApp channel, because whenever I got update, I'm going to drop it there before actually trying to make a video about it. See you guys in my next video once again, and remain peaceful. My name is Zubi King and this is it. Bye.